What's up, you guys? It's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. For today's video, I am trying out an aloe vera gel. I'm trying out the actual plant for the first time for a pre-poo today. I got the plant from a Whole Foods store near me for about $1.75, I believe it was, for this whole plant. So I bought it, brought it home, and decided to just cut it up and get all the little jelly part out of it, cut it up, and blend it to make it into a pre-poo rinse. So this is the first time that I have ever used an aloe vera gel plant in my hair, and the first time I've ever cut up aloe vera gel. So please excuse me if I'm not doing it right, but for the most part I just tried to get out the little meaty part, as you guys can see. And then I put it into the little cup for my NutriBullet to blend it all up. So I had to give this a try. I've been seeing it a little often on my Instagram stories of people using aloe vera gel and just like swearing by it. And I really wanted to just experience what everybody's been experiencing. So from what I have read and seen, pretty much aloe vera gel can help with things like dandruff. It can help with just moisture for your hair, for shiny hair, and just for a whole bunch of other stuff. Aloe vera gel is also really good on like your skin. I don't know if any of you had grandparents like this, but my grandma actually used to use aloe vera gel on like my cuts and my burns and my scars, and I remember them going away really quickly. So I was like, you know what? Look, if our grandparents can do it, and they knew what they was doing, okay? Sometimes we gotta just take it a step back and stop with all the fancy stuff. You know, it's good to treat ourselves every now and then, but you know, we gotta take it back and use the things that our grandparents used to use, because they knew what they was doing. They knew what they were doing. So after I finished blending up all the little meaty pieces, I still had quite a bit left over. So I decided I didn't want to waste any of the gel. It only cost me $1.75, but I wasn't wasting not a little piece of gel that was in there. So I took it right up against my scalp and my edges and just rubbed it into my scalp and gave myself like a little mini scalp massage before actually using the rest of the rinse. One thing I realized when doing this was my hair instantly, where I had the aloe vera gel, it instantly felt soft. So I felt real confident by that alone. I'm not gonna lie, I really thought that my hair might have been a tangled mess just by the way the gel feels, but nah girl, it felt amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and just pour the rinse over my head. I'm realizing that maybe I could use this in like a creamy base. I might do like a little DIY with this, but that's just me pouring the rinse over my head and then massaging the rest of it into my scalp and into my strands. And now I'm just taking my Earthborn Organic Stimulating Growth Oil, which I do have a coupon code down below for you to use. I use that just to seal in the moisture before putting a plastic cap on and going on about my day. I think I sat with this for about an hour or two. I couldn't do any longer than that because the stuff was dripping even outside of the plastic cap and the towel that I had on. So I did have to rinse it out, but I wanted to make sure that, you know, it was penetrating my strands. And guys, I'm so glad I did, because my hair was super soft and manageable. Like, aloe vera gel will definitely be a staple for me for future wash days. Please comment below if you use aloe vera gel for your wash days. This is just me washing it out for your wash days, and how do you use it, because I am so into trying some DIYs with this stuff. Like, this is my new favorite thing in the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just showing you guys how soft my hair is. I couldn't believe it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye.